Hi, Smita.
Yeah. Oh, hi, Madhven. Nice to see you after a while and a little break.
I know.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, not bad. Thank you.
Hello, Jai Janandra.
Oh, Jai Janandra, Mahesh Bhai, thank you so much. Lovely to have you on board today.
Thank you.
Yeah, really nice. The sun is shining. It's really come nice now. Really sunny here in Leicester. What's it like in Dudley?
In London, it is cloudy.
Good.
In London, it is cloudy.
Oh no!
You've taken all the sun from us.
It's so beautiful, so beautiful right now as I speak. Yeah. We're lucky people are joining in because so is at 4 o'clock. There's one or two other events that I'm familiar with, and Leicester City is playing as well as I speak, and they're winning. So, Mahesh Bhai, which football team do you support?
Leicester.
Oh, you do? Oh, wow, brilliant. Wow, well done. Oh, that's good to hear. Gajendra Bhai, where are you? As always, you are always in good time.
Great.
Yeah, oh, lovely. Good. Yeah, good to see you. Good to see you. Right. Oh, hi, Shaku. Chandrakant Bhai, Kensho. How is Brighton? Brighton sunny? Chandrakant Bhai? Maybe he can't hear me. So बस एकदम fine. बस मैं इसके तो जोड़ाई गया ना. Very good.
Very good.
Yeah, બે ત્રણ વસ્તુ છે આજે 4 વાગે એટલે બધાને થોડું ક્લેશ થશે.
I know.
Yeah. પણ થોડું પાકું થઈ જશે કારણ કે આજે મહેશભાઈ સ્પોન્સર કર્યું છે અને we are going to recap on a couple which are very useful. So that will be good. We'll just give people a couple more minutes. It's just come up to 4. Yeah, literally 4 o'clock. Kamlaben, are you new? Komal and Kamlaben, would you like to say something? Is it your first time with us? Oh, Komal, it's okay. If you don't want to talk, you don't need to. It's fine. Manu Bhai is already there. Praveen Bhai, where are you from? Praveen Bhai? Okay. હા તમને કોઈને આ વીકમાં કાઈ કર્યું હોય તો શેર કરવું છે એક્સપિરિયન્સ?
મેં તમને બે questions મોકલાવ્યા છે.
Oh, okay. We'll have a look at that. Yeah, sure. So anyway, Dara is just joining and she's already sent the links for Adobe Scan. So people who may not have done it before, you can use it from the chat and download it. And I've also told her to put it on our WhatsApp group. So she's busy doing that whilst we just connect with everyone. Yeah, okay. Dara, are you almost ready with us?
Yes, I'm just sharing the links over here for the app that we are going to take today.
Sure. That's great.
Meanwhile, we are waiting for people to join. Till then, I'll just quickly send some links.
Yeah. Are you sending it on the...
I'm sending it on all the where. Once I complete on the chat, then I'll send it on the group as well.
Fine. Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Oh, hi there. How are you?
I'm fine.
Pranam.
Thank you. Pranam.
Yeah, good to see you. Excellent. Has anyone been practicing from last week what we did? Does anyone want to share your experiences with the reminders and all that? Surya Ben? Oh, Surekha.
Sureka, Sureka. So there must be
sorry,
somebody,
Sureka.
another Surya.
Yeah, no,
Yes.
same as my Bhabhi's name.
Yes,
Yeah.
this series is really, really great. You know, when you want to remind, like, you know, when you put the yogurt, just now I did that, you know, can you remind me to put the yogurt in the fridge? And then, you know, the appointments, you know, and all the, you know, the appointments, or ring somebody, or it's so easy. You just speak and that's it, you're done.
Yeah. And not only that, Surekha, when any information you want, a friend of mine, he just Googles everything. So Siri, even if you want to ask anything, any questions, any route, any timetable, it'll do everything. So you won't need to type, you know, and it's just so beneficial, really.
Yeah, it's really, really great. Yeah, it's really good. So
Yeah.
I've been sort of, you know, showing all my friends, you know, they know kind of, but, you know, I just say, you know, whatever I learned, you know,
Oh, excellent. That's
is
that's
good.
great. That's really,
Yeah.
yeah, that's really good to hear. Yeah. So Dara's busy putting the chat, the links for today in the chat, Vaishpai. She's got Adobe Scan and then all the things that we'll need today in case if you haven't downloaded. So there's the collage link for the photography again. There's and then for iPhone and Android, the Google Translate and the Adobe Scanner. Yeah, so that's great. Dara will give you a couple more minutes. Mahesh Bhai, I know you've
Yes.
been working and practicing a bit. Was there anything that you want to share?
Yeah, just regarding Adobe Scan, how to actually line the paper when you're doing, you know, scanning the document.
Yeah, Dara will cover that. That's fine. Unfortunately, I won't be able to take many questions in chat because Kevils had to go to a funeral, so he's not with us today in the chat. But it's okay. We will be able to just go through things. Dara, let us know when you're ready.
Yeah, just give me 2 more minutes and I'm done.
Okay. So today, anyway, good afternoon, everybody. Dara's just setting up the links because I said that if we put that from the beginning, then it's a lot easier for you if you haven't downloaded the apps. So Dara's already put all the links in the chat. But she's also going to put it on our WhatsApp group. So can I just request everybody, whoever hasn't joined the WhatsApp group, to kindly please just send me your phone numbers so you get information. We've got a new software today that we'll be looking at as well. So Dara's got the link for that too. But anyone who's new today, good afternoon, welcome. We've been running this since April, every Saturday. Munira never misses a session. Munira, are you with us today? Oh, she probably, I think I saw Yusuf Bhaiya is there.
This is my first one, you know, I haven't joined you before.
Okay, your name is?
Raksha.
Oh, Raksha, thank you. Lovely to have you on board. Yeah,
Thank you so
might
much.
find that because today is a revision session, but there's one new app, you might find that it will probably be rushed for you because Mahesh Bhai, who's sponsoring today's session, we've already covered Google Translate, we've covered Adobe Scan, so it might be a little bit rushed. So just bear with us.
No
because
problem.
time is tight, yeah.
Sure.
But lovely to have you. And then you can always practice later once
Sure.
you learn the basics, yeah?
Thank
so
you.
are you based, whereabouts are you based?
Edgeware.
Edgeware.
Yes.
So would you like to send me your phone number? And then if you want to join the group where we put everything, then for future we'll have you.
I mean, Radhika's group, you know.
Okay, I'm not sure.
Radhika, yeah.
Yeah.
Radhika Saheli
Yeah.
group.
Yeah, but if you want to send me your number, then we'll put you on. So then
Sure.
future, yeah. So my name is Smita Shah.
Okay.
Mhm,
So
yeah.
where is your phone number? Is it on
I'll put it in the chat as we speak.
Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
It is
Okay,
on Saheli
so-
group. If you are in Saheli group, then Krishna has sent a link, and it is on that link.
Yeah,
Mita's number is on that link because I'm in Saheli group as well. I'm Raksha as well.
Oh, okay, great. Thanks,
And
Raksha.
Krishna,
Yeah,
I have been sending it to to Radhika, and Radhika has been putting it on. But
Okay.
now Krishna Ben has been putting it on Saheli
Yeah.
group.
Yeah, I'm so
So
sorry. There's
nobody's
so
in
many
there.
different groups that are
Yeah.
passing to each other, which is great. So I may not know everyone, but my phone number is in the chat. Oh, hi, Munira, welcome. Right, okay. So once again,
I'm
welcome
ready.
everybody. Newcomer and our regulars as well. My name is Meeta Shah, and we've been running the workshops, like I said. Time is ticking on. We are raring to go. Today, we are doing a little bit of a revision. Mahesh Bhai from Dudley, Mahesh Bhai Mehta, has kindly sponsored today's session. Thank you so much, Mahesh Bhai. And questions and tease that out with Dara. Today we haven't got Keval with us in the chat. Usually we have Keval who answers everyone's questions in the chat, but he couldn't join us today. Dara, if you're ready, the very first question Mahesh Bhai has is that whilst he's using Zoom, how can he simultaneously go into Adobe Scanner or whichever app you're taking first? So everybody needs to know that you can do two things and swap from one to the other. So if we could just kick off with that and then start today's different software programs and apps. Thank you.
Okay. So, yeah. That is one of the things which everyone has been again and again asking. Okay, we are already in Zoom and then we want to leave Zoom and we want to move with what you say. So, for that, what you need to do is you just have to come outside your app.
Dara, we can't see you. Can you connect, please?
Yeah, I'm already connected. I'm connected with my mobile phone. You will be able to see me on my mobile, aren't you? Okay, just give me a second. I'll just set that up. Okay.
Okay, because it's just me and Mahesh Bhai at the moment.
Okay, I'll just take that up.
Okay, great. Anyway, whilst you're doing that, Dara, you can talk and explain how to do both simultaneously.
Okay, so I'm with my mobile now. Yeah, my video is on.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you.
I'll add it for the. Okay, fine. So, what
you can remove us, Dara. You can remove me and Mahesh Bhai now. Just let's focus on you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Fine, no worries. So, yeah. So what we were saying is how we can go and allow go out of our Zoom and we can share. It's like we can see what whatever steps I'm seeing, and then you can use that step as well. So I've just shared my iPhone screen with you guys. I hope it is visible. Okay. So yeah, as you can see here, right now I'm in my this particular Zoom account. My screen is not the same as one of yours because I'm sharing my screen. Otherwise, everything else is the same as you can see on the screen. So at the bottom of the screen, can you see a line there for Android and iPhone? Both of them, there will be a line over there. You just have to drag from that particular line. Just drag it like that up and you are outside of the screen. So that is how you are there. So now what happens, you won't be able to see my screen and you will be able to access your phone. You can see your phone, you can go through the apps, but then how can you understand where I'm clicking? So for that, what you have to do is, follow what I am saying. You have to listen that and then you have to take the steps according to it. For example, अगर मैं तुमने भी तो एक तमे तुम्हारू WhatsApp open करो तो तमे तुम्हारू WhatsApp open करो. Yeah, this is the way you open your WhatsApp. तो मारो कॉल ऑलरेडी અત્યારે ચાલુ છે. At the same time મેં મારું WhatsApp open કર્યું. તો તમારે મને ફોલો કરવું પડે. હવે તમે ફોલો કરતા કરતા અગર ક્યાંય પણ અટકી ગયા ઇન ધ સેન્સ કે મેં કીધું કે પ્લસ ઉપર ક્લિક કરો એન્ડ અનફોર્ચ્યુનેટલી યુ નોટ એબલ ટુ સી કે તે પેલો પ્લસ આઇકન ક્યાં છે. તો તમારે ઇમિડિયેટલી અગર તમારે તમારી એપમાં બેક જવું હોય તો ઉપર જે રેડ કલરનો આઇકન છે, ઓકે માય સ્ક્રીન has stopped sharing, I am sharing it again. ઉપર જે રેડ કલરનો આઇકન છે or you can say the green color icon on your phone, because મારું રેકોર્ડિંગ ચાલી રહ્યું છે એટલે મારામાં રેડ કલરનો આઇકન છે, તમારામાં ગ્રીન કલરનો આઇકન હશે when you come out of the screen. So immediately if you want to see my screen, you have to place on the red or the green icon, because મારી જે app છે that is the app which is sharing the particular data. So અહીંયા એ મને એવું કહે છે કે તમારું broadcasting stop કરી દો. I don't want to stop my broadcast, તો હું notification ની ઉપરથી એની અંદર directly આવી ગઈ અને મને અહીંયાની screen ફરીથી દેખાઈ જશે. So once again very simple thing, બહુ simple છે કે અગર તમારે તમારા જે પણ ફોન છે તમારે એની અંદરથી બહાર નીકળી અને તમારે WhatsApp કે બીજી કોઈ પણ એપ જે હું કરાવું છું એ એપ અગર તમારે કરવી હોય તો તમે શું કરી શકો છો? ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ તમારી સ્ક્રીનમાં વચ્ચે ટેપ કરો એટલે ઉપર જેના કંટ્રોલ્સ આવી જશે, પછી નીચે એક લાઈન છે એની ઉપર એને ડ્રેગ કરો એટલે બહાર નીકળી જશો. બહાર નીકળી ગયા પછી તમારે જે પણ એપ યુઝ કરવી હોય એ કરી શકો છો. આમાં એક જ વસ્તુનો ડિસએડવાન્ટેજ છે કે બહાર નીકળ્યા પછી તમને મારી સ્ક્રીન નહીં દેખાય, તમને તમારી સ્ક્રીન દેખાશે અને પછી તમારે એ પ્રમાણે એની ઉપર એક્ટ કરવું પડશે. એન્ડ apart from that કે હું જે પણ ઉપર ક્લિક કરવાનું કે જે બી કહું એ તમે જોઈ નહીં શકો પણ તમે સાંભળી શકશો. તમે you can hear everything very clearly, but you will not be able to see my screen once you are doing this particular step. તમને મારી સ્ક્રીન ઉપર શું ચાલે છે એ ખબર નહીં પડે, તમને તમારી સ્ક્રીન ઉપર ખબર પડશે. તમારે તમારી સ્ક્રીન ઉપર જે હું બોલું છું એ ગોતવાનો ટ્રાય કરવાનો અને પછી એને એક્ઝિક્યુટ કરવાનો. I hope that was very clear.
Yeah. So Tara, yeah, एक second. So even if when you put all the links in the chat, they can actually just press the chat and then that will bring them out of their Zoom, but then they will be able to go back in the Zoom. So it's as simple as that they can do things simultaneously side by side.
They can do side by side. The only disadvantage of this thing is that okay, when you are seeing your screen, you will not be able, we cannot see the simultaneous screen. That means કે તમે મારી સ્ક્રીન પણ જોવો અને તમારી સ્ક્રીન પણ જોવો એ બંને પોસિબલ નથી. તમે બે માંથી સ્ક્રીન જોવામાં એક જ જોઈ શકો પણ તમે મારો અવાજ સાંભળી શકો અને તમારી સ્ક્રીન પણ જોઈ શકો.
Yeah, that's fine. So Mahesh bhai, is that clear? Have you tried and is it working? Mahesh bhai?
I think he
Tara, is he muted?
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, so we'll start today's session, Dhara.
Okay.
Are we doing Adobe Scanner first?
Yeah, we will do Adobe Scan first and then we will take the Google Translate and the other app, Live Collage app. That too.
Yeah, so today it is just a revision, everybody. You should all probably have these apps on your phones because we've done this before, but they're very, very useful. So links are in the chat if you haven't downloaded for the new people who have joined, and also for the ones who are already on our WhatsApp group, the links are there too. So over to you, Dara. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Mitaben. So again, what Mitaben said, I will say those who have not installed all the apps, I will share 4 links in chat as well as the mobile apps group. There are 4 apps. We are going to do this 4 apps today. The first one is the Adobe Scan. The second one is the Google Translate, and the third one is the Live Collage, and the fourth one is the Google Fit. That is our new app for today, and how we are going to use that, we are going to have a look onto it. Okay. So, anybody?
Yeah, Dharaben, how can we download the link?
Okay, just go to your chat, and in your chat, I have just shared the links currently. And if you are on our WhatsApp group as well, so you can go in the WhatsApp group as well. There are all the links available for Android and iPhone both. So whichever phone you belongs to, just click on the link and then you can click on install from there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So coming back on our this thing, today we are going to start with the first app, the one which is very favorite to us and very dear to us. We are going to use that app, and the name of the app is Adobe Scan. I think that this is one of the app which I have brought to you, and I think you guys are very excited on using it because it has helped many of you. Believe me, it is helping me as well. As I've already told, मैं पहला भी कीधेलू છે, पहला भी જ્યારે Adobe Scan લીધું હતું ત્યારે भी કીધું હતું કે હું આનાથી મારા ડોક્યુમેન્ટ સ્કેન કરું છું, મારા રિપોર્ટ કે એવું કંઈ સ્કેન કરીને ડોક્ટરને મોકલવું હોય કે કઈ બી જેમાં મારે એક સ્કેનરની જરૂર પડતી હોય, like if I have an old photo of mine, then also I can scan and have a soft copy of it કોઈ પણ વસ્તુની તમારે સોફ્ટ કોપી તમારા મોબાઈલમાં રાખવી હોય સ્કેન કર્યા પછી આપણે સ્કેનિંગ કરવાનું મેઇન રીઝન એ જ હોય છે કે વી ગેટ અ સોફ્ટ કોપી એટલે કે ઇમેજ કોપી ઓર પીડીએફ કોપી ઓર અ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ which we can share anywhere through digital. તો એવું ડિજિટલી તમારે કઈ બી શેર કરવું હોય કોઈની બી જોડે તો we have this app that is called the Adobe Scan. બરાબર છે. You guys in UK તમારી પાસે ઘણી બધી એપ્સ છે અભી સ્કેનર ઉપર પણ as of now this is my personal favorite એટલે હું આ રાખું છું પણ તમે જોશો ઘણી બધી એપ સેમ જ વર્ક કરે છે અને તમે એ પણ યુઝ કરી શકો આજની જે બી જેટલી બી એપ્સ મેં લીધી છે એ એન્ડ્રોઇડ અને આઈફોન બંનેમાં સેમ રીતે વર્ક કરે છે તો હું અલગ અલગ નહીં લઉં this is a single app તમે કોઈ પણ ફોનમાં તમે ઓપન કરશો એપનું લુક એન્ડ ફીલ એવરીથિંગ ઇઝ ધ સેમ તમે એન્ડ્રોઇડમાં ઓપન કરો કે આઈફોનમાં ઓપન કરો એપમાં કોઈ ઓપ્શનમાં કોઈ ચેન્જીસ છે નહીં તો પ્લીઝ ગેટ રેસ્ટ એશ્યોર્ડ ઓન ઇટ એન્ડ તમારે એની સેજ પણ ચિંતા કરવાની જરૂર નહીં પડે બરાબર છે કે ભાઈ મારો આઈફોન છે મારે કઈ રીતે કરવાનું કે મારું એન્ડ્રોઇડ છે તો મારે કઈ રીતે કરવાનું તમારે ખાલી એપ તમારામાં ઇન્સ્ટોલ હોવી જોઈએ અને એને ઓપન કરો બાકીની બધી વસ્તુ તમારી સેમ જ છે So let us go to the Adobe Scan app over here. As you can see, this is my Adobe Scan app. And what I will do is I'll first log out. હું પહેલા તમને બતાવીશ કે કેવી ટાઈપનો યુઝેજ છે આની અંદર હું સાઇન આઉટ કરી દઉં એટલે ફર્સ્ટ જે આપણે ઓપન કરીશું તો આપણા બધાની સ્ક્રીન સેમ થઈ જશે when we are opening it for the first time. તમને બી આ સ્ક્રીન દેખાતી હશે અગર તમે ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ ઓપન કરી હશે અગર તમારું લોગિન હશે તો પહેલા જે સ્ક્રીન હતી એ પ્રમાણે તમને દેખાશે. So let us click on sign in with Google. Google it says કે Adobe want to access your google.com and I will say continue. मैं continue કર્યું Google account થી કરી શકો છો તમારી પાસે બીજો કોઈ account હોય તો એનાથી બી કરી શકો મારી પાસે અહીંયાની બહુ જ બધા accounts છે હું એમાંથી મારું એક account લઈ લઉં છું let me take this I don't know which one I'm taking this Shahadara 2410 and let's see if I have any documents on it so this is the first time maybe I'm using it yeah so it is giving me this kind of information but I have to show whether why do we need this? You need my birth date. They need my birth date. I'm just putting that up. So October. So that is whatever is your birth date. You can just import that up, and you can work further on this by clicking on that. So this is my new account. So I don't have any particular document onto this. Any other my एक पर document available नहीं. And just a second.
Most things, people, you have to sign in always. So you need your Google account details because they customize your things. So signing in is necessary before you can have access to the app.
Okay, fine. Coming back to our Adobe Scan. So here we have is the first screen that you can see over here. And it says let's go so the sign up is very simple let's click on let's go and it will start looking for the document and it says on the first screen tap the screen when you are ready to scan we will find the borders and take the photo for you so આ એટલું બધું easy and simple app છે કે તમારે તમારો કેમેરા ખાલી હોલ્ડ જ કરવાનો છે you just have to hold your camera and then the things are done for you તમારા માટે બધું ready થઈ જશે so let us just hold it અહીંયાની નીચે મારી પાસે એક book chair. I'm just going to scan that particular book and you have to tap on the screen when you are ready. So I'm just tapping on my screen and once I tap on my screen you can see automatically borders I get capturing hold steady and the photo has been taken. You can see મારું એક document છે book છે book એને automatically scan થઈ ગઈ છે એને borders भी set કરી દીધી છે તમે તમારા હિસાબથી borders આની અંદર set કરી શકો છો the way you like the borders you can just set those up નાનું મોટું ઇન્ચીસ તમારે ખસેડવા હોય તો જે આગળ આ રાઉન્ડ અને રેક્ટેંગલ્સ તમે જોઈ શકો છો બોર્ડર્સ જે બ્લુ કલરની છે એની ઉપર એ ત્યાંથી તમારે ટચ એન્ડ ડ્રેગ you just have to hold and drag એની પર અંગૂઠો તમારો મૂકો and then તમે અંગૂઠો ઉપાડ્યા વગર એને ક્યાંય બી ડ્રેગ કરી શકો છો this way without holding up your thumb okay so I'm just placing that up and it's done for me once it is done I'll click on continue so continue ની અંદર it will try to take a second document I don't want a second document so હું નીચે right hand side corner ઉપર 1 લખ્યું છે એની ઉપર ક્લિક કરીશ and you can see કે this is the Adobe Scan look of the particular image that I took lastly તમારે save PDF ઉપર ક્લિક કરવાનું એટલે તમારી ફાઇલ સેવ થઈ જશે ફાઇલ સેવ થઈ ગઈ અહીંયા તમે જોઈ શકો છો કે ફાઇલ સેવ થઈ ગઈ છે તમે જોવો આ પેનથી લખેલું છે and it is so much clear. Just zoom it and check it out. Clarity તમે જોવો, what is the clarity of it, and the way આ બધું લખેલું છે, hand written છે. I don't know many of you know Gujarati writing or not. Hopefully તમે લોકોને ખબર હશે. This is kind of you can say Rose Mill, if anybody knows those red books. So this is one of my accounting books and I'm just copying that up. I'm just taking a soft copy of it. So that is how it looks. Okay. એની ઉપર અહીંયાની બાજુમાં share button available છે. So you can just click on the share button. You have 3 options. તમારે link share કરવી છે, email માં share કરવું છે કે copy share કરવી છે. તમારે જે share કરવું હોય તમે લઈ શકો છો. 99% of the people will prefer share a copy. Okay. Copy કોણે share કરવી છે અને કઈ રીતે share કરવી છે. WhatsApp માં, Gmail માં, Chrome માં, જેમાં બી તમારે Telegram માં, જ્યાં બી તમારે share કરવી તમે કરી શકો છો. Suppose let me go with the WhatsApp option. તો અહીંયાથી હું WhatsApp પર ગઈ. WhatsApp ની અંદર તમારે contact select કરવાનો છે કે કોણે તમારે share કરવો છે. So I will again say Smita Shah UK and then I'll click on next. Next ઉપર ક્લિક કરું એટલે જો આ ઓટોમેટિકલી આ ફાઇલ અહીંયાથી આવી ગઈ and then top right ઉપર બટન છે send. So simply મારું send થઈ ગયું and you can see that particular file has been WhatsApp to Smita Shah. So that is how
Instantly, Yudhara, as soon as you sent, I've received it. That's how quick it was.
yeah. So that is one of the great features of this particular app. Both nice app છે. Again, very simple and very good app for you. I'll show one more
Tara,
time.
can you,
Yeah.
can you just do a plain copy because Mahesh Bhai wanted to know how to size it and how to just make sure that all the things are included.
Okay, plain copy.
So just a letter. If you do a letter,
Okay, I'll try doing a letter.
anything that's text.
Yeah. So I'm just taking this one more book I have over here. I'm just trying to take that. So let me just click on the camera icon again for scanning. So I have this kind of a letter. So page test, capturing, hold steady, and it's done. As you see. હવે તમારે એને મારે ખાલી માતાજીની મૂર્તિ જોઈતી હોય and I want to send that photo. So I'm just going to crop it up as you see. You can just resize it. You can use your thumb for it and you can click on continue. Okay, and over here as you can see, that is only the photo of the Mataji. Lakshmi Mata che. And that is how this works. Yeah, and then you can click on save PDF. So આખું પેજ હતું મારી પાસે એમાંથી મારે ખાલી માતાજીનો ફોટો જોઈતો હતો. I only wanted the goddess photo. So એનો ફોટો મેં crop કરી અને એમાંથી લઈ લીધો. You can see what is the clarity of it.
Very
Mahesh
good.
bhai, have you got any more questions on this? Mahesh bhai?
No, it's clear now. It's clear. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Mahesh bhai so much.
દારાબેન
Yes.
તમે એપ્લિકેશન ફોર્મ મોકલાવો વોટ્સઅપમાં પછી આપણે ફોર્મ ભરવું હોય how can we fill it up?
Yeah. I think આ question પહેલા બી આવ્યો હતો. No, you cannot fill up. તમે એ ફોન directly fill up નહીં કરી શકો. There will be a problem with that. So તમે fill up નહીં કરી શકો. તમે ખાલી આમાં document scan કરી શકો. Like again and again I have said કે તમને ખબર છે કે how a scanner works. Scanner કઈ રીતે work કરે? ખાલી એ scan જ કરી શકે. પછી એની અંદર તમે write up ના કરી શકો. Let's suppose for example, if I am having this particular form, let me again say this. કે અગર તમારી પાસે આ ફોર્મ અવેલેબલ છે so over here if you say to me કે મારે આ particular ફોર્મની અંદર લખવું છે so that thing is still not possible. See, this is the company profile form. Okay, I'm just capturing this and you can see I'm just trying to capture this company profile form. ઓકે, હવે તમે એને ડિજિટલી સાઇન નહીં કરી શકો. પછી તમારે શું કરવું પડે કે તમારે એની એક કોપી કાઢવી પડે, પ્રિન્ટ આઉટ. યુ હેવ ટુ ફિલ ધેટ ફોર્મ એન્ડ ધેન અગેન યુ કેન કેપ્ચર ઇટ. ધેટ ઇઝ વોટ યુ કેન ડુ. તો કંપની પ્રોફાઇલ આ રીતે તમને મળી જશે. આની અંદર હવે તમે રાઇટ અપ નહીં કરી શકો. This is not an editable file. This is a kind of a PDF or you can say a image kind of file. અને આની અંદર તમે રાઇટ અપ નહીં કરી શકો. હા, આની તમે પ્રિન્ટ લઈ એનીમાં લખી અને પછી એને ફરીથી સ્કેન કરી શકો છો. So that is how this thing does. It converts the particular hard copy into a digital copy, but not a editable one. Editable one મતલબ કે જેમાં તમે એડિટ કરી શકો, તમારું નામ લખી શકો, એવું તમે હજી આની અંદર અવેલેબલ છે નહીં.
Dara,
Technology is
yeah. Urvashi's got a similar PDF signature question. Urvashi, do you want to come on, or Dara? It's in the chat, the question.
yeah, I'll just check that out.
Mhm.
Okay. Can you sign via PDF docs request for signatures?
I think you answered it.
Okay, yeah. So you cannot add the signatures. You can, you can first fill up the particular form and then only you can keep it into a digital format and share that out.
Tara,
And-
is it not possible for you to copy the form and put it on the message and then fill it up?
No. It is able to recognize, there is a technique that's called OCR to text. OCR to text is possible, but it won't be able to, see all the particular text that is available. I had shown this before as well. मैं આ વસ્તુ પહેલા भी बताવી थी કે નાની મોટી વસ્તુ હશે ને આખો નાખો પેરેગ્રાફ એ નહીં કરી શકે. Nobody can do it perfect, not even Google Translate. So technology હજી પણ they are working on it. Google Translate પણ એટલું બધું નથી કરી શકતું જેટલું અહીંયા કહી રહ્યા છે. So suppose for example, let me see કે if you are doing a business card on that particular format. તમે કોઈ અગર business card કરી રહ્યા છો, let me see if I have a business card nearby me or not. So yeah, so I have a business card. What I'll do is I'll just open a soft copy of that business card. Okay, and we'll try to see that. Okay, just a second. Okay, so I have this business card. What I'll do is I'll just try to scan that business card over here. And I had shown this before as well. કે એ business card માંથી data લેશે, but not all the data. So it has captured my business card, you can see. And when you say continue on it and click on the particular icon over here, once let me save it as a PDF. So that's a business card which it has scanned. And then you can click on save contact. Okay, it's not so clear, so it is not able to save the contact. I'll have to take one more. Okay. So, because it is from a screen to another screen, that is why it is not able to take it much proper. Oh, it is not still able to recognize the text. Let me see if I have something else in a hard copy.
So, okay, Tara, if you just
Yeah.
explain the concept, we'll
Yeah,
have
so
to
what
move
happens?
on.
Yeah, what happens is that when you do a business card, it is able to recognize the cards over there sometimes, and because of that, it will show you something like કે તમારું automatically તમારું particular contact save થઈ જાય છે. It saves the contact automatically. So that way, you can do that. That is the option that you have, but still it cannot recognize all the text. You cannot copy it and send it. You can send it in the format of an image. તમે image ના format માં એને send કરી શકો છો, but not in the format of a text. Text ના format માં એ હજી થશે નહીં. Still it does not have that much OCR to text is not that much કે કરી શકે.
Dara and Hema is asking, what's PDF format? What does that
PDF
stand
format is
for?
called the portable document file. So like you have a doc file or a Word file and an image file or a MP3 file or an MP4 file. Similarly, we have a PDF file that's called the full form is portable document file, which can be opened in anywhere. कैसे भी તમે open કરી શકો. Like for example, video open કરવા માટે તમારે એક video software જોઈએ, or you can say કે Word file open કરવા માટે તમારે Microsoft Word ની જરૂર પડે. તો એટલું તમારી પાસે available ના હોય તો તમારે PDF file કઈ રીતે open કરી શકો. PDF file can be opened anywhere. You can just click on it. Browser માં બી open થઈ શકે, like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or something like that. એ બધામાં બી open થઈ શકે, ક્યાંય બી થઈ શકે. That is why it is called a portable document format. પોર્ટેબલ મતલબ ક્યાંય બી કોઈ બી ફોનમાં ચાલે, એન્ડ્રોઇડમાં બી ચાલે, આઈફોનમાં બી ચાલે, કમ્પ્યુટરમાં બી ચાલે, બધે જ ચાલે.
Okay, we'll have to mute everyone. Can we mute others?
Yeah. Okay.
And Dara,
Yeah.
Dara, I just wanted to check with you that like when you are actually, is it possible that somebody is sharing the phone with you without you knowing it? Is it possible to do that?
Sharing. What?
Yeah, because sometimes you think somebody is actually, reading your mails or, reading something from your phone, or is it possible for anybody to do that?
That is not possible. But
Yeah.
recently there was a problem faced by the people where their WhatsApp has been hacked. I think Kirit Bhai had this problem. I don't know. I hope this is fine. Yeah. So we had seen that Kirit Bhai had this problem. Okay, somebody tried to hack into his WhatsApp account and sending messages from his friend to his friends. But still there hasn't been anything like that which we have heard. कि आपरो data चोराई जाए या कोई बीजो आपरो data read कर दो. I know. તમારું WhatsApp hack થઈ શકે, but not your old messages. But they can see your contacts and everything, and they can message your contacts. એવા possibilities આપણા recent frauds આવા ચાલે છે અત્યારે. There are many frauds running right now over there, and that too not in UK. They are more in India. UK na phones hack થાય છે, and they send it the message to Indian numbers. Okay, like I am a friend, like suppose for example if we know each other, then Smita when will message me, okay, my relative needs 80,000, please transfer, or something like that, and then you think that તમારા friend not message છે, you don't call sometimes, and you directly do that, then that is a fraud that is going on right now. But
like
your
if
data
you are
is
using the same Wi-Fi,
yeah,
that another person can share your phone, they can actually read my messages or anything if you share the same Wi-Fi.
see, a normal person cannot do that. Only a particular kind of you can say hacker or some people like that can only do that, not a normal people. Normal people એટલે હું બી કેફેમાં જઈને બેઠી હોઉં તો હું બી ના કરી શકું આટલું બધું, બરાબર છે, કારણ કે that is very difficult to do.
Rakshaban, you might be better off speaking to your Wi-Fi provider, network provider,
Okay.
and your phone provider. So at least your mind is put at rest, because Zara is based in India. So sometimes she's giving
Okay.
you the more technical know-how, but
Yeah.
you'll be better off talking to your own network providers to clarify, so you have peace of mind.
Sure. Thank
Yeah.
you so much, dear.
Thank you. And Urvash has just said in the chat, Chandrakant Bhai, to your question, that can you sign the documents? Apparently, she reckons that if you subscribe to Adobe Scanner, you might be able to get that facility. So you might want to consider that perhaps in UK. And just asking Adobe Scanner whether you can, but whether it will be worth people if you use it or not is a separate matter. So Dara, this was quite useful, and I myself find I don't need to do any printout or have a photocopy now, because Adobe Scanner does it all and it stores it. So fantastic. I advocate everybody to use it. Mahesh Bhai, if you have any burning relevant questions, go ahead. Otherwise, we'll move to the next topic, please.
Yes, you can move.
Mahesh Bhai?
You can move to the next topic. Thank you.
Dara, because this was a little heavy, instead of Google Translate, can we go into the collage, please? The photos next. Thank you. Tara's just loading. Whilst Tara's loading, I'll remind you all that when we had Father's Day, we'd actually learned the collage, and a lot of people, Shushila and several people had actually combined a few photos and made into a collage of their children, grandchildren, and everything. So it's a very useful feature, to be honest. Go ahead, Tara. We can't hear you, Dara.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Yeah.
So this is the live collage app. You can download the app from the chat, or you can go to the WhatsApp group and download it from there. Once you have this particular app, you can just change your photos and everything. You can click on start. Collage is something where you combine 2 to 3 photos of yours. This app has some of the in-app purchases where you can purchase some of the tablets and something, and then you can create something more beautiful. Obviously, there are some free options available. That is why we are using it. So we are going to use this. I'm going to go with the collage. Let me go with the collage. You can select the list of thing that you want. Like for example, suppose if I'm going to select something, some Instagram post over here, as you are supporting, suppose say, as Smita went told, right now the league matches are on the football, so you can just support your favorite team over here. So I'm just going to select a template, and I'm going to select an image over here, something that is cheering up. So let's find something good over here. Let me try something, find something good over here. Okay, so we have this cheering photographs or something with us. So let us just try and put that up. So we have this cheering for the Olympics. You can just adjust your photo, and once you are done with that, you can change the text over here. So that's not 221 Olympics. I'm just going to use my thing over here. So Raksha Bandhan, and that was a Raksha Bandhan photos. I'm just going to write 2021, and it's done. So that is how you do that app. So you can just change it. If you do not want any of the object, you can delete that object as well. So I'm just going to delete it, and my thing is done. That's my photo for Raksha Bandhan 2021, and I can write some quotes over there in the bottom as well. And last but not the least, if I'm done with it, I can click on download. Okay, this one is the paid one, so it is asking me for the paid. And if you do not want to go with the paid one, you can go with the free one. We are going to save it as a photo or something. Let's see, save as a photo. So saving this as a photo. Advertisement will always be there. So you just click close on it, and the photo is being saved onto our photographs over here. As you can see, I have this particular photo with me in my photos. I'm just going on my photos, and I have this Raksha Bandhan photo with me, and that's my Raksha Bandhan 2021. So that's how it goes. So that is one collage you can create. That is only a single photo. You can have multiple photos joined with you. So let me just again quickly create something like that. So we're just going to discard this. I'm going to select a kind of a grid that you want. Suppose I want to take some 2, 3 to 4 photos. So I have this particular kind of grid. Click on plus over here. Select the photos which you want to post. Suppose say I want to post some of the photos for the Raksha Bandhan. Yeah, it's okay. I'm going to choose some of the photos over here quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, not load more than 4. Okay, it's done. And over here. Now, most of the photos are already set. If there are any photos which is not set, I'll just set that up quickly. So I can just move it. And this one is also done. Okay. And over here, this one as well. So I'm just going to zoom it out. And this one is as well done. So that is how the collage is there. You can just again download it, and that is save as a photo again. So this is one of my collage. I can go in my photos. I can just check my photos, and there is one more photo for the, as you can see. So that is how the collage.
Yeah, that's great, Tara. People have got link both in the WhatsApp and on the chat, and you'll find that you can condense so much and put it all. Just be careful though, you can have the simple grids, but if you want to add video and things like that, then again, like Adobe Scan, you might have to pay and subscribe to it. But the simple things are free as long as you just get out of the ads that you get. So that was really useful, Tara. We will move on to, unless Maheshbhai, any questions, specific ones, because I know you asked for this.
Okay.
No, it's fine. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, that's great. Yeah.
Urvashi Ben, what icon are you talking about? There is some chat message over here. I missed what icon Tara opened. Which icon are you talking about, ma'am? Is she there with us?
I think maybe the collage one.
Yeah, so for putting the
Urvashi,
collage,
it's best you yeah.
so putting the collage, just open the live collage app. Okay, again, I'm just going to open the app. Once you're on the app, you can click on the collage. You can select the grid or the Instagram story or the summer story or anything what you want. So just select that and you select it. And see, this is something very nice, love, joy, and everything. Just click on the plus, select your photos. Just quickly select some photos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, not more than 5. So 5 are done and they are set over here. And then you can, just set those photos up.
Yeah, that's lovely, Tara. Presumably, people may need to download and update the collage so that they can get more permutations, would you say, from time to time to
Under
upgrade?
which app is the collage? I just want to know under which app is collage. What is the name of that app?
Name of the app is Live Collage. Collage.
Sorry?
The name of the app is Live Collage.
Live collage. Thank you. Thank you.
And the symbol is there.
You have to pay for
the
it?
symbol is that.
Do you have
It's
to
a
pay
paid.
for it?
There are some options free. There are some options paid.
Okay, thank you.
All right, so now I think we'll move on to, is it Google Translate before we do a new app today?
Yeah.
So again, Tara, whilst you're setting, I'll just remind everyone that Google Translate is another wonderful, wonderful package. You can play with, work with your grandchildren and get them to learn our mother tongue and some of the names. Whilst if your mother tongue is Gujarati, you can set it in Gujarati to English or vice versa, English to Gujarati. If you happen to go on holiday somewhere to Romania and if their local language, you wanted to buy and do some shopping, again, you can have English to that. So it's a wonderful, we won't be able to cover a lot and I won't be able to take a lot of questions because we've covered it in the past. It's a lot about practicing some of these things and trying it out. But it's again, a fantastic, you can speak to it, you can translate, it does so much. And we've covered it over 2 to 3 sessions before as well. But I advocate highly for people to really use it. Tara, when you're ready.
Yeah, I'm already ready. We have this Google Translate app as well. So I hope my screen is already visible to you guys. So I have this Google Translate app in my phone and we're just going to use that. That's the Google Translate app as you see the symbol and everything. I've already shared the link in the this WhatsApp as well as on the chat of Zoom. So I already have selected and this app is already installed in my phone. So I'm already logged in over here and all the things are already set up for me. So I'm just going to clear things up for you so that we can start from the first. So here you have to first select your language from where to where. So I want to translate from English to Gujarati or Hindi, whatever language you want. So when you're translating the thing, you have 3 to 4 options. The first is you pen down, you write down what you want and then you get the particular different option on it. The second one you have, you speak something, speak karo, and once you speak on it, you can get the translated of it. The third option that you have is you can select a live camera and do that thing. The fourth option which you have is a conversation where you can get a conversation. એટલે હું એક વખત ઇંગ્લિશમાં બોલું પછી એનું ગુજરાતી સાંભળવા મળે પછી સામેથી ગુજરાતીમાં બોલે પછી એ મને ઇંગ્લિશમાં સંભળાવે. So that is called a conversation. જ્યારે હું બોલું તમે સાંભળો, that is a conversation. So એક બોલે પછી બીજો જવાબ આપે. તો એક જે બોલશે એ એની લેંગ્વેજમાં બોલશે પછી બીજી લેંગ્વેજમાં કન્વર્ટ થશે, બીજો એને સમજશે, એનો આન્સર આપશે એની લેંગ્વેજમાં, એટલે સિસ્ટમ આપણને આપણી લેંગ્વેજમાં ટ્રાન્સલેટ કરીને આપશે. So that is the conversation. So these are all the options which we have. So very quickly we are going to use some of the options over here. Starting with the first option that we have over here is translating from English to Gujarati. So I'm just going to write some simple. How are you? Let's have dinner tonight. Okay. You can easily see કે જેવી તમે ઉપર લખ્યું તો નીચે ઓલરેડી આવી ગયું તમે કેમ છો ચાલો આજે રાત્રે ડિનર કરીએ. So that is how the Gujarati happened, directly and very speedily at the same time. Then whenever you have a translation done, જ્યારે બી તમારી પાસે એક ટ્રાન્સલેશન હોય તમે પેલા એરો બટન ઉપર ક્લિક કરી શકો છો. તમે જેવું એરો ઉપર ક્લિક કરશો એટલે નીચે એ વસ્તુ આવી ગઈ and અહીંયાની દરેકની બાજુમાં there is a speaker phone. If you click on that speaker phone,
તમે કેમ છો ચાલો આજે રાત્રે ડિનર કરીએ.
So it will translate it for us. Even English માં અગર તમારે સાંભળવું હોય તો સ્પીકર આઇકન છે દરેકની બાજુમાં, ઇંગ્લિશની બાજુમાં.
How are you? Let's have dinner tonight.
I hope you guys can hear that. એ મને ઇંગ્લિશમાં હું સ્પીકર ઉપર ક્લિક કરું તો ઇંગ્લિશમાં મને
Yeah, it's
બતાવશે.
very clear, Rana, very clear.
Yeah. અને ગુજરાતીમાં અગર હું એ કરીશ તો એ મને ગુજરાતીમાં બતાવશે. So that is how this particular thing is working. So this is the first thing that we did was from the format of a text. એટલે ટેક્સ્ટમાં આપણે જોયું. હવે આપણે વોઇસથી આ વસ્તુ કરવું છે તો let us click on the voice button. So I'm just clicking on the voice button. Hi, how are you? Okay. Hi, how are you? Okay. So આપણે already એક appથી connected છે, that is why it is not doing that for us. This is one of the problems we have already faced and always faced. So what I'm doing is I'm quickly going to stop the sharing from this particular screen and I'm going to share my another screen with you guys so that we can easily see what the Google Translate is doing for us. Okay. So here is my screen, my new screen. Okay, so that's my phone over here, very clearly visible to everyone. And I'm just going to open my Google Translate app over here. So let me just search for it, Google Translate. Okay. So I think yeah, phone के अंदर मैं install कर लीजिए, so I'm going to quickly install it. While I'm installing that particular app, okay, so that is going to be a very quick process, a 2-minute process. Okay. Okay. Meanwhile, if anybody has got any particular questions on it, you can also ask me. Also, એક બીજી app આજે જે આપણે કરવાના છે. It has already been marked on the particular chat. You can just check out from the chat. So there is this particular screen that's called the app that's called the Google Fit. That is the next app which we are going to do today. So this is a particular app which is
Mahesh Bhai? Yeah. Mahesh Bhai had requested Google Translate. So if you have any questions, please.
No, it's fine. It's explained nicely.
Yeah. So Dara, you weren't able to show us the live camera image?
no, I'm doing it. I'm
picking
doing
up
it.
the image.
No, I'm doing it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So we are ready
Thanks.
with the screen now.
Yeah, today, whatever that Dara is picking up, of course, Mahesh Bhai wanted and requested as well, and it's a good revision. So thanks for that, Mahesh Bhai. But the beauty of what we are doing today is whether you have an Android system or an Apple, and they're very almost the same. So that's why Dara doesn't have to do it twice, because all the features and apps today work similarly in both these systems. Okay, Dara.
Okay, so I'm just connecting my system here. Okay. There's something. Just a second.
Dara, are you doing the? Are
Yeah,
you
I'm doing
loading?
yeah. Actually,
Okay. Because what we're seeing is the Google Play, and it's kind of frozen on that, on the screen.
yeah, I see that it has been frozen. That is why we need just a second.
Smita Ben.
Bolo?
Yeah, is it possible to add all this link to your favorite?
Yes.
I should think so.
That makes it easier for anybody to use it, man.
Yeah, very good point. I mean, a lot of the times, if you're on the computer, then you'll go on the favorite. If you're on your phone or tablet, you'd have to download the icon. So the icon will be there anyway.
Because I have downloaded my translation things on the favorite. So I don't have to do too many application.
Yeah, no, that sounds good. Thanks for sharing the tip. So Dara, when you're ready, we're ready.
Yeah. Okay. System is taking a little bit slow to I think
You can, if you can't, Dara, you can explain. That's okay as well.
that's done. Okay. I hope everybody's able to see now.
Yeah. Yeah.
The translate app over here. We're trying something with the mic. So let us try with the mic. How are you? Let's have dinner tonight. So it has recorded that for us. And you see. How are you? Let's have fun tonight. Just say us and see the Gujarati translation. તમે આજે રાત્રે કેવી રીતે મજા કરી શકો? So that is how it takes sometimes the translation becomes funny if it is not pronounced properly. So that is how. Let us try one more. My name is Dharasha. So you see over here, my name is Harsh. That is how it goes. Okay, let us try one more. My name is Dhara. That is how.
Brilliant. Well
My name is
done.
Dhara. Okay, so that also
Yeah.
depends on your accent also sometimes.
Well done. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. And the phonetics, and they may not have all the Indian names and words. So, but
Yeah.
the message is there in terms of my name. So that's good enough.
Now let us try with the camera. I'm just click on the camera.
Mhm.
Let me aim at a particular text.
Okay.
So you can see all the English ones will be done because we are translating from English to Gujarati. So okay, I have this another one. We only have the English names over here. So automatically the English name is Gujarati. So actually the written thing on it is Ankit product Udeshwar Ahmedabad 4. Ankit product is Utpadan Udeshwar Ahmedabad 4. It's from my camera. This is a live translation. So જે actually ગુજરાતીમાં લખેલું છે એ વસ્તુ અહીંયા આગળ directly it is showing it in Gujarati. See, it's written in English, but when I'm seeing it through my camera, it's written in Gujarati. So that is one. Camera માં ત્રણ options છે. The first option we are already seeing. Second option is a scan. Scan option એટલે પહેલા એની જાતે આખો પેજ ને સ્કેન કરી નાખશે. Okay, like Adobe. અને પછી એને recognize કર્યું. We're going to do select all, and you see @Ankit product 534 @Ankit product Dudeshwar Ahmedabad 4. You can see in Gujarati 534 Ankit Utpadan Dudeshwar Ahmedabad 4. Again, you have this mic option. Okay. Okay, the sound is actually મેં આ થોડું પેલું એ કરેલું છે ને એટલે સાંભળવામાં થોડી પ્રોબ્લેમ થઈ શકે છે. So no worries. Yeah, it is not showing because of some reason. Sure. So we have this. Third one we have is the import. આપણે કોઈ પણ image ને import કરી શકીએ છીએ. Like we have this one. Then we'll go for select all. જોઈએ આપણે શું છે આની અંદર. આપણા વર્કશોપના ઇમેજમાં અગર તમે વાંચો તો બધું આવી ગયું. જો join us for a workshop on learning mobile devices. Let us see this. Read this. આપણે સાથે જોડાઓ મોબાઈલ ઉપકરણો શીખવા પર કાર્યશાળા માટે તારીખ અને સમય સ્થળ 28મી ઓગસ્ટ 2021 Zoom 4 PM. You see, द्वारा प्रायोजित द्वारा समर्पित महेश मेहता किरीट. So that is how it is automatically showing. That is how the image scanning is being done over here. So that is one thing. This is the second thing.
It's kind of frozen, Dara.
Oh, it has frozen. Okay, sorry.
It's got the address, the Ahmedabad address.
No. I already changed it after that. So
Yeah.
I just can share it. Okay. I think I have to close and restart that. Okay. Have that. See.
Okay. So are we doing the conversation now?
Yeah. Actually, the image is just a second. I think there is a blinking option thing over here, right?
Right.
Okay, I'll just reshare that particular screen.
Mhm.
Okay, I'll just close it and share it.
So a lot there. on the Google Translate as well, the voice, the text, the camera, image, and then the conversation. So Dara's just reloading it, but you'll find a lot of uses for it.
Okay, we are back.
Great.
Let us go to the translate. We were in the camera, and in the camera we were in the import. So let us go and import our image. We just immersed, we just took our image, and we are doing to select all and see what's happening over here. So whatever we have written has been shown it to us in the Gujarati. हमारी साथे जोड़ाओ, join us for a workshop. उपकरणों शिखवा पर कार्यशाला. Workshop is called कार्यशाला. માટે તારીખ અને સમય and સ્થળ 28મી August 2021 to, as you can see, प्रायोजित અને સમર્થિત, supported by Mahesh Mehta, Kirit Mistry, as you can see, આરોગ્ય કાર્યવાહી. So who is going to take the trainer? So it's written Dhara Shah. 17 વિષયો, Zoom ID, પાસવર્ડ બધું અહીંયા આપેલું છે. પૂછપરછ માટે ડિજિટલ સુવિધાઓ કૃપા કરી કોલ કરો, કરીને કોલ સ્મિતા શાહ and એમનો નંબર, as you can see. So whatever has been written on the image, આ image માંથી એને સ્કેન કર્યું. So somebody was asking me, I think ચંદ્રકાંત ભાઈ તમે પૂછતા હતા કે image માંથી આપણે સ્કેન કરીને ટેક્સ્ટ કઈ રીતે મળે. તો એ તમને Adobe Scan માં નહીં મળી શકે, પણ Google Translate તમને મળી જશે અને તમે એને બીજી લેંગ્વેજમાં કન્વર્ટ બી કરી શકો. ઓકે, જેટલું આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરી શકતું હશે એટલું કરશે, બટ નોટ એવરીથિંગ. થોડુંક તમને આમાં શું કહેવાય, આટલું બધું પ્યોર હિન્દી ગુજરાતી આપણે ના વાંચતા હોઈએ એટલે આપણને ખબર ના હોય. લાઈક ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ટ્રેનર અહીંયાની જ્યાં લખ્યું છે, ફોર ટ્રેનર દે હેવ યુઝ આરોગ્ય કાર્યવાહી. તો ધીસ ઇઝ સમથિંગ વેરી ટફ વન. મતલબ વર્ડ ઇઝ સચ અ હેવી વન કે ગુજરાતીમાં બધાને કાર્યવાહી એટલે કોણ એ ખબર ના પડે. તો
it's a very learning tool as well. You can improve on your Gujarati. Sashi aunty used it a lot for some of her translations.
Yeah.
So I'm conscious of the time, Dara. So we will finish with the voice, the conversation quickly, please.
Yeah. So we'll go in the conversation now. We'll go in the conversation now. For the conversation, what you've got to do is just click on the conversation icon and quickly just try to set your.
So we are still in Google Translate, everybody. The fourth aspect Dara showing us is the conversation that you can undertake.
Okay. For the conversation, what you have to do is go in your Google Translate app and there is a conversation option. Hi. They can try. So sometimes that happens. Okay. શું કરો છો? So it has translated that for us in English. And it is speaking at the same time because we're not able to hear the noise. This is happening. Okay. What are you doing? You can see at the top. Taking a workshop. So it has transferred it in the Gujarati as well. Bhau saras. So you see, you can simultaneously speak in both the languages. You click on the English mic, you speak in English. You speak in the Gujarati mic, you speak in Gujarati. So it is automatically translating to Hindi and English and Gujarati.
So great tool for neighbors or anybody who can't speak the language. So really very useful.
And if you want to have a conversation, मतलब कि તમે એ બોલતા હોય ત્યારે તમારે એમનું માઇક ચાલુ કરી દેવાનું, તમે બોલતો ત્યારે તમારે તમારું માઇક ચાલુ કરવાનું. સપોઝ તમે ગુજરાતી સમજતા હો તો તમારે ગુજરાતી માઇક ઓન કરવાનું. એ ઇંગ્લિશ સમજતા હોય તો એમના વખતે તમારે ઇંગ્લિશ વાળું માઇક ઓન કરવાનું. જે પણ વ્યક્તિ સામે ઊભું હોય કન્વર્સેશન વખતે અને જે પણ લેંગ્વેજમાં બોલતું હોય તમારે એ માઇક ઉપર ક્લિક કરવાનું. તો ઓટોમેટિકલી તમારી લેંગ્વેજમાં કન્વર્ટ કરીને તમને આપી દેશે. Is that clear?
Mahesh bhai, kai burning questions છે?
No, it's fine now. Yeah, pretty well explained. Thank you, Dara.
Excellent. Yeah. So I said it was a whistle stop tour, but even then, Dara, you did great justice to show us and remind us. So finally today, I know time is ticking on, but we wanted one new app to leave everybody with. Pandemic has meant staying indoors at home, sometimes putting weight. So we have gone for a health app. We wanted to try the medicine one for people who may be taking medicine. It's a great app that Tara found on Mede. But today we are just going to do a common one, which is Google Fit. And it's there both on iPhone, Apple phones, and on Google Play Store, Android. So we'll go for that. Majma, I hope you find it useful. Go ahead, Tara.
Okay. So this is your Google Health app. We were going to do a polling question as well. Okay, how many of you are using the Fitbit or the iWatch or something like that? તમે એ બધી watches ને બધું પહેરો તો તમારું ધ્યાન રાખે. Now as you are growing, as we all actually are growing older, so what happens is that we have to maintain આપણે walking કરવું પડે, આપણે jogging કરવું પડે. તો આપણે કેટલું કર્યું એનો ટ્રેક રાખીએ તો વી કેન પુટ સમ ટાર્ગેટ્સ ઓન ઇટ કે રોજના મારા 5,000 સ્ટેપ્સ તો થવા જ જોઈએ. ભલે 1-2 કિલોમીટર તમે ના ચાલો પણ 5,000 સ્ટેપ્સ તમે લો એટલે એમાં તમારા 1-2 કિલોમીટર જેવું તો આવી જ જાય. તો મિનિમમ આપણે એટલું ચાલવાનું રાખવું જોઈએ. Because the way what we are eating and then if we are not doing any exercise, this is all for the fitness freak. જે લોકો હવે ફિટનેસ વધારે પસંદ કરે છે so they can try this particular app. If you do not have those Fitbit bands, તમારી પાસે પેલા MI ના bands કે MI ના watches કે iWatch ના હોય કે જેનાથી તમારું blood pressure માપે કે પછી તમારું oxygen level એ લોકો count કરી શકે. At the same time they can select your do your this particular step counting, breathing counting બધું જ કરી શકે. તો એવી રીતે આ એક મોબાઈલ એ શું છે વોચથી કરે એટલે તમારી હાર્ટ બીટ ને બધું જ કાઉન્ટ કરી શકે. પણ અહીંયા આગળ આ એક એપ છે જે એવી રીતે ફિટનેસને પ્રમોટ કરે છે. વોટ ઇટ કેન ડુ ઇઝ કે ત્યારે બી તમે મોબાઈલ લઈને ચાલતા હો તો મોબાઈલની સાથે સાથે વોટ ઇટ કેન ડુ ઇઝ ઇટ કેન કાઉન્ટ યોર સ્ટેપ્સ, ઇટ કેન સી વેધર યુ આર રનિંગ ઓર વેધર યુ આર વોકિંગ, કેટલું વોક કર્યું, કેટલા માળ તમે ચડ્યા. તમે તમારી ફિટનેસ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આમાં રાખી શકો તો તમને ફિટનેસની બધી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન મળે. So that is how this particular app works. Over here, the initial first thing what you have to do is you have to select your Google account, very compulsory, and then continue as Tara, and that is how it is.
Yeah, Tara, just so that if people want to download, it's on the chat, in the chat, the link, and also for the ones who are registered, it's there, and it's that heart shape with the colorful one. And then as Tara is telling us, you have to sign in for it to personalize your details and keep a track of your health. So go ahead, Tara. Thank you.
So it is allow Google Fit to send notifications when you hit your daily and weekly activity goals. Allow notification, we'll say allow, okay. And then it has started. So what it can do is pick up the pace to score points towards this goal. Steps, just keep moving and it is going to count on everything. When you go to click how to score a heart points, you will score points for activity that raises your heart rate like brisk walking, cycling, something like that. And choose your daily goals. What are your daily goals? So you want 20, that is 5,000 steps, 7,500 or 10,000. We'll go with the least ones as of now. We're going to go with 5,000 steps and we have set our goals to it. So now what happens actually in this is, as of now though we are not walking, but as soon as you start walking, okay, and you are going to go with your goals, easily આ બધું mark કરશે કે તમે કેટલું રીચ કર્યા, કેટલા પોઈન્ટ્સ કર્યા, કેટલા સ્ટેર્સ કર્યા, કેટલા બધી જ વસ્તુ ઓટોમેટિકલી આમાં સ્ટોર થઈ જશે. And how that is done, so what I'll do is I'll try and something where I'm going to take some steps if possible and see whether it is able to see that or not. Try to because and you have to take the phone in your hand. તમારા phone તમારા hand ની અંદર રાખવો પડશે. And when you're walking, when you have it in your pocket or something like that, એટલે તમે watch તમારા હાથમાં લઈને બેહી રાખો છો. એવી રીતે આ બી તમારા hand ની અંદર બેહી રાખવી પડશે. And once you are wearing that, so if you are going to take some, no, it is not able to take the small steps that I take in my room. So it won't be able to do that. Okay, I can, okay. For that, what I can do is next time so I will show you that as well. But as of now, the same app is available in my iPhone and you can see how many steps I have taken today. તો અહીંયા તમે સ્ટેપ્સ જોઈ શકો છો, how many steps આવી રીતે ત્યાંની બી આવી રીતે જ બતાવશે સેમ વે. બસ તમારે એક વખત આ ગૂગલ ફિટ એપ નાખી દેવાની, તમારા ફોનની અંદર સાઇન અપ કરી દેવાનું અને તમારે તમારું ગોલ સેટ કરી દેવાનું. આટલી વસ્તુ તમે કરશો એટલે આવી રીતે તમારા સ્ટેપ્સ ચેક કરશે કે વીકલી સન્ડેના કેટલા સ્ટેપ્સ રન કર્યા હતા તો 1870, ટ્યુઝડેના મંડેના કેટલા થયા હતા તો 2140, પછી ટ્યુઝડેના હાઉ મેની 795, then Wednesday how many steps, Thursday how many steps, Friday, and again today is Saturday, so how many steps. So here it is giving me a summary of everything, so you can click on show health data. આજની સમરી તમે જોઈ શકો છો કે કેટલા સ્ટેપ્સ ચાલ્યા, એમાં કેટલા કિલોમીટર થયું, અડધો કિલોમીટર, what is the length of the step, and what is the walking speed, and what is the sleeping time, and how many floors I have climbed today. So 2 floors, and that is how this particular app will show. આ જ વસ્તુ સેમ બતાવશે આ Google Fit app. તો આ શું છે, એક વખત તમે સેટ કરી દીધું છે. once you set that up, તમે એક વખત એને સેટ કરી દીધું પછી શું થશે કે ઓટોમેટિકલી જેમ જેમ તમે ફોન લઈને ચાલતા હશો ને એટલે અહીંયાથી તમને વેલ્યુઝ દેખાવા મળશે કે આજે કેટલા સ્ટેપ્સ લીધા, કે આજે કેટલા પોઈન્ટ્સ તમને મળ્યા, કેટલા કિલોમીટર્સ તમે કર્યું. અને once you achieve your goal, it will directly show you okay, by yes, it is done, and if that particular thing is done, then you can go with it. If you have done the running that much, તો બી એ બતાવશે, બધું જ અહીંયાથી બતાવશે. અલગ અલગ ઓપ્શન્સ છે, that is the general is a personal record of your activities, કારણ કે મેં પણ આ એપ ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ નાખી છે તો as of now મારી પાસે બી કોઈ રેકોર્ડ અવેલેબલ નથી. Then some of the activities which you want, you can add in it, કે what are the activities, સ્ટેપ્સ તમારા કેટલા છે, ડિસ્ટન્સ કેટલા છે, બધું જ અહીંયાથી સાયકલિંગ કેટલી કરી, સ્પીડ શું છે, પાવર શું છે, એવરીથિંગ ઇઝ અવેલેબલ ઓવર હિયર. તો તમે એમાંથી કોઈ પણ નાખી શકો છો, કોઈ પણ ટ્રેક, બોડી મેજરમેન્ટ્સ તમે તમારા પુટઅપ કરી શકો છો, ઇનિશિયલ બોડી મેજરમેન્ટ, સો દેટ તમારું ટ્રેક રહે કે કેટલા બોડી મેજરમેન્ટ છે, અત્યારે કેટલું વેટ છે, પછી જુલાઈમાં કેટલું વેટ છે, તો તમારે આમાં થોડી ડેટા ઇનપુટ કરવું પડશે. once you input that data, it will automatically track કે તમારું વજન કેટલું વધે છે, કેટલું ઘટે છે, શું પ્રોબ્લેમ છે, શું પ્રોબ્લેમ નથી. So you can have some kilograms. Let us try and put some kilograms over here. So I think I'll be having a weight of around 5 or 10. Let us set our weight and let us set our height. I am not sure. Yeah, it will be 5.1 inch. So that is done, 5 feet 1 inch. Okay, and that's done over here. તો અહીંયાથી મેં મારી પ્રોફાઇલ ત્યાંથી સેટ કરી નાખી છે, મારો બધો ડેટા અહીંયાથી સેટ થઈ ગયો છે. once I start doing it, તો ઓટોમેટિકલી મારા ડેટામાં કે મારા વજનમાં જે બી ચેન્જીસ આવશે will be shown over here. આમાં ખાલી એક જ વસ્તુ છે, આ એપ એટલી બધી ઇઝી છે કે તમારે ખાલી વન ટાઈમ સેટ કરીને પુટઅપ કરી દેવાનું છે. you just have to set it once and then the rest of the thing the app does. What you got to do next is કે તમારે ઘડી ઘડી શું કરવાનું છે, ખાલી એને ચેક કરતા રહેવાનું. you just have to check that app again and again. So એક વખત તમે પ્લીઝ સેટ કરજો અને પછી તમે મને કહેજો કે તમને એનું કેવું રિઝલ્ટ મળ્યું છે. So once you see the result, તમે ખાલી એક વખત નાખી અને એવરી ડે તમે રન કરતા હશો તો બસ ખાલી તમે એક વખત ચેક કરજો કે આજે કેટલા સ્ટેપ્સ થયા, તો તમને બહુ ઇઝીલી ખબર પડી જશે કે હું શું કહું છું અને શું એક્ઝિક્યુટ થશે એની અંદર. Because we do not have the data, I'll again show you in my health app. તમે મારી હેલ્થ એપ અહીંયાથી ચેક કરી શકો છો. હેલ્થ એપની અંદર કેટલા સ્ટેપ્સ છે એ બતાવશે, કેટલી સ્લીપ લીધી છે એ બતાવશે, કેટલા કિલોમીટર્સ રન કર્યું છે એ બતાવશે, what are the length of the steps એ બતાવશે. This is not at all a difficult app. The app બિલકુલ ડિફિકલ્ટ નથી, ખાલી તમારે અંદર સાઇન ઇન કરીને લોગિન કરી અને ખાલી રેકોર્ડિંગ કરવાનું એક વખત ચાલુ કરી દેવાનું. વન્સ આપણે એક વખત ફરીથી મળીશું એટલે હું એક વખત ફરીથી આ એપ લઈશ, આપણે ફરીથી જોઈશું કે જેવું આપણે અહીંયા આગળ એપને યુઝ કરીએ છીએ તો એ ઓટોમેટિકલી આપણો બધો જ ડેટા રેકોર્ડ કરીને રાખ્યું હશે. આજથી આપણે રેકોર્ડિંગ ચાલુ કર્યું છે, ટુડેઝ ડેટ વી કેન જસ્ટ માર્ક ધેટ અપ એન્ડ when we meet next time we can see કે આપણી પાસે બહુ જ બધો ડેટા અવેલેબલ રહેશે and that data will then help us to analyze ourselves કે આપણે કેટલું એનાલિસિસ કર્યું, કેટલું વેટ ગેઇન કર્યું, કેટલું હાઇટ ગેઇન કરી, ઓર the type of activities that we are doing. હવે આ app automatically આપણા background માં monitor કરતું રહેશે. Then when we will meet next time, I will be able to show you a proper way of the analysis on it. કે જો હવે આનું એનાલિસિસ તમે જોવો કે એને કઈ એનાલિસિસ કર્યું છે, કેટલું આપણે રન કર્યું, કેટલું આપણે વોક કર્યું, બધું જ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપણને શો કરશે. જેવી રીતે વોચમાં આપણે વોચ પહેરીએ છીએ અને પછી આપણા સ્ટેપ્સ અને બધું જ કાઉન્ટ કરે છે, આપણે ચેક કરીએ એટલે. તો આ એપ બી સેમ રીતે વર્ક કરે છે. The only thing is કે વોચ કેન બી મચ મોર એક્યુરેટ બીકોઝ વોચ આપણે 24/7 આપણા હેન્ડમાં પહેરી શકીએ છીએ. મોબાઈલ બધા જ 24/7 એમના પોકેટમાં કેરી ના કરતા હોય. તો જેટલો ટાઈમ તમે કેરી કર્યું હશે.
Do you want to mute everyone? Sorry.
My phone.
Yeah. So unless there's any burning, I think with apps and things, we normally have to use them to familiarize ourselves and personalize it. But it's certainly, I had a quick look earlier on, and there's a lot it can customize for you as well. I know most of you will probably be used to wearing Fitbit or Apple Watch. That does a lot. But again, it's a good way of having that big print, and being able to utilize it. So play with it. Time is never our friend because there's so much to always do. Mahesh Bhai, once again, thank you so much for sponsoring today's session. Is there any burning questions or clarifications for Mahesh Bhai or anybody else for the next minute? We'll just unmute everybody.
Yeah, anybody can.
Everything is fine with me.
Yeah,
Thank you.
excellent, great. Yeah, no, I think it was very helpful. Dara, are you still there? Mahesh Bhai, thank you once again.
Yes, I'm already
Really
there.
appreciate it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm already there. So
yeah, Dara,
yeah, there are some of the questions in the chat I would like to address.
Yeah,
Just give
go
me a
ahead.
2 minutes. Urvashiben, you lost the connection, but no, we are not covering the WhatsApp business today. So hopefully in our next session, we'll try to cover the WhatsApp business as well. Apart from that, I gave my details last week, but you have not registered in me yet. Okay. Sarojben, please, tomorrow phone number ek vakat mokli do fariti. Maybe we missed it out. We have added some of the new people members, but I'll add it today itself. Yeah. Registered regarding our WhatsApp group. Urvashiben, if you're in our WhatsApp group, you can. Gajendra Bhai has a question. It is asking me to connect to Apple Health. Should I? Yes, you can. If you have an Apple phone and you are using Google Fit, so both the data will be in a synchronized. એટલે બંને જગ્યાએ તમને same data મળશે. Like in the health. Gajendra Bhai, health app છે. Health app માં તમે already login કરી નાખો. એટલે એ બી થઈ જશે અને Google Fit માં બી રહેશે. Google Fit નો ફાયદો એ થશે કે તમે કાલ સવારે અગર Android phone લેશો તો એ જૂનો ડેટા જે છે ઓટોમેટિકલી આવી જશે પ્લસ નવો ડેટા એડ થતો રહેશે.
Dada, Chandrakant Bhai no ek question છે કે is it possible to edit our recording message?
Where?
And is it possible to watch WhatsApp message or recording on iPad or on TV?
Okay. Recorded message मतलब voice message edit કરવો છે?
Chandrakant Bhai? No, maybe he'll come back. Yeah. So
ધારાબેન આપણે કાંઈ રેકોર્ડિંગ કરતા હોય અને કાંઈ મિસ્ટેક કરી હોય તો like is it possible to edit it?
Sir, voice messages ke video messages?
No, voice messages.
No, you cannot. તમે એને delete કરી અને ફરીથી નવું રેકોર્ડિંગ કરો.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
એટલે તરત ને તરત જ તમે delete from everyone કરી નાખો એટલે સામેનાને મેસેજ ગયો હોય તો તરત ને તરત it should get wiped out if you realize straight away it's not the right one, right Tara?
Correct.
Then
correct.
if you instantly delete from everyone, then it will clear off. But if it's been a longer time, then it's hard to retract it.
પણ આપણે ધારાબેન આપણે પેલું લાંબો મેસેજ રેકોર્ડિંગ કરતા હોય અને કાંઈક એક બે શબ્દ ચેન્જીસ કરવા હોય, is it possible to edit
No,
it?
ચંદ્રકાંત ભાઈ એ મેસેજ એડિટ નહીં થાય. આપણે એડિટ નહીં કરી શકીએ.
તારે હવે નવા programmers રાખવા પડશે ચંદ્રકાંતભાઈની ઈચ્છા પૂરી કરવા. Right, once again, thank you all so very much. Kirit has joined us as well. We missed Keval today. Can I just thank all our sponsors, of course, Chandrakant Bhai, Munira. Munira is in Scotland today, by the way. So she's on her holidays. Jaishiben Modi from London, Mahesh Bhai today, Ashadeep from Northampton, and of course, South Asian Group and Kirit Mistri's group, the support that Jain Bhagini has given us from the beginning. So thank you all so very much. The other thing I want to say is we have the mobile apps group. Any feedback, Kirit will come on board in a minute to tell you why it's important, because in future, if we go for any funding, it's important that we have those feedback messages from you all. So that will be very welcomed. Dara is great in terms of how can we thank her, whether it's the Wi-Fi issue, whether it's her little baby not well, whether she's out on a holiday, she has always supported. Dara, can you mute everyone, please, for the time being?
Yeah, I will mute
Just
you.
put the screen, put just the main screen, please. Yeah. So Dara, we can't thank you enough, but unfortunately, guys, time have come when we'll need a break. Dara needs, has a lot on her plate, apart from her little one today not being well. Despite that, she has joined us. He's got temperature, but she didn't want to retract from her commitment. So we really welcome that. So now we have got a position for the Jains coming up. Tomorrow, whoever's celebrating Satam Chhat, Satam Atam, and Krishna Bhagwan Janma Divas Monday, we wish you all a wonderful celebrations. And I think we will have a break now, at least for 2 to 4 weeks. So we will completely not have any sessions. The plan is for all of you to practice. I know Mahesh Bhai and many of you have asked for videos that we have recorded throughout the sessions. Unfortunately, Dara hasn't been able to edit it, but what she's trying to do is put labels on each one of our video. So hopefully, as soon as that is ready, we were hoping that we would get our own Zoom and then, have a separate ongoing session. But as things stand at the moment, we will just all have a little break. So a lot of things me and Dara had planned. We had planned theme-based things. We wanted health apps mapper, or medicine no chairs, quite a few. But music at my Spotify level chair, YouTube level chair, karaoke level chair, shopping na bada channels levata ke Groupon discount male e. Pachi social media apne karvanu che Keval ne Dara sathe, Instagram, we did TikTok with Munira sponsorship, Facebook, and Twitter, which are so popular. So there's still a lot to be done. Of course, as you can appreciate, it's through your goodwill that we've been keeping it ticking. So sponsors are always necessary. But we've come a long way. We started in April. Just bear with me for 2 more minutes before I hand it over to Kirit. The amount of things that Dara has shown us, and whether you go to a class or anywhere, you will see that the tutors won't always show you on whether it's your iOS Apple phone or whether it's your Android phone, Samsung, whichever. And yet Dara has been able to do both. And every time we take a poll, Chandrakant, just bear with me, let me finish and you can all come in, yeah? Every time we do a poll, there's half the people who are using Apple iPhone products and half who've been using Android, and Dara has managed to show us on both. So that's again a first and a fantastic thing there. We've covered Google Maps, we've covered weather, we've covered time zones, Gmails, emails, hardware devices, storage, how to take storage out, YouTube, currency converter, collage, I mean, Adobe Scan again, WhatsApp, you know, that 7 things that are there, and you can track somebody coming to your house when you use WhatsApp properly, and so many other privacy issues, settings, Zoom we did as well, Teams, video making, it's images, don't forget we did images, and you've all got the link for that, so you know what each emoji means as well. So fantastic reminders. Elam and Sureka Ben said she used the Siri to do so much. So if I just list, there's so much we've done since April. Our new people who have joined, I'm sorry you may have missed, but hopefully when the videos are uploaded and you've joined in, then you'll be able to. Meena Bhabhi, I think you've just left, have you? Yeah. Oh, what a shame, because Bagina and Amina Bhabhi had joined us. I wanted her to come in and say a thing or two, but it's okay. So before I end, let me just pass it over to Kirit. I can't thank Saha enough from all of us for letting us, even though when you had sessions, you rejigged your sessions and you allowed us to use the Zoom. So thank you, and also for sponsoring those earlier sessions. And I remember the day in April when I said, Kirit, I want to do this, no funding. Straight away you said, it's a great idea, just go ahead. And you were the first one to support me. So really, I'm very grateful. I will thank everybody else in a minute, but over to you, Kirit. Thank you.
No, I think it's good that you found Daraben, because look, if people were going to do this course on a regular basis, it would cost hundreds of pounds, right? So people need to appreciate that what Daraben has been delivering over as what you mentioned. But it's important, in order to take this forward, we take this next 4-week break, but we need, in the next 4 weeks, we need to capture the feedback. We need to find out from you how beneficial you found, what have you learned, has it helped you deal with issues of isolation, if it helped your own health by being involved in these sessions. So we will produce a few questions that we need you to complete, and that will then enable us to look at the value of what Daraben has delivered. But also when we start going for funding, we can then show that we've done from April till August, X amount of sessions were delivered, how many people attended, and what was the benefits for it. So, and what people learned. Most importantly, has it been beneficial? Did you learn? Have you learned? All of you must learn something. And because Daraben delivers in English and Gujarati, it's been very valuable for you, for everyone. So that's all I'm going to say. I think we're happy to continue, with this, but we just need to get the feedback so that we can then, and also I think it's worth, obviously we are trying to get volunteers. We're trying to do things with the breakout, as Ms. Smita has been saying for a while, but maybe we also start looking at packaging this in so there's a series of workshops that people can sign up to, so for new people coming in, because they have missed some of the other kind of sessions. So I'm going to stop there, but I think we will work on some questions, and then we'll ask you to give us the feedback between now and the break, and then we'll recontinue when it's ready. Yeah.
Thanks, Kirit. Munira has just asked if we have a feedback form. Not as such, but whatever your comments, whatever you've benefited, whatever you've learned. Sureka Ben said it's not just her. There might be 40 people here today, but then she shares it with all her groups. So there's more and more people benefiting as a result. I know Chandrakant Bhai has a huge group as well. So it's also sharing with others what we have learned. I know it's not been easy for me either. It has been time consuming, but it is something I wanted to do from my heart, because life became online overnight. And I knew that we are not of a digital age, our generation. And it has been a little bit of a struggle for us to settle in with this digital life. So I was conscious, and that's why I took it upon me. I'm nudging Dara every day. Dara, akar mujhe super so, so Dara, I'm sure you must be fed up with me as well. But it has been time consuming to inform everybody, to keep a record, keep notes, to decide what to do. But I have enjoyed it. I hope you have all benefited. And yeah, sorry, I think some other people want to say. Does anybody wish to say anything? Dara, just mute everyone. Let's hear quickly. We'll finish in the next 5 minutes. Anyone who wants, I know a lot of you have thanked in the chat, but if anyone would like to just say a word or two, please go ahead.
Tara, you've been wonderful. We really enjoyed it. Nobody has patience like you. And I think this is the best teaching you have ever done to everybody, young or old, everybody. You explained so well. Thank you again very much.
Thank you, Madhavan. Yeah, I mean, we've had people who are at very matured age. I mean, Suryakant Bhai, Aprab, Gajendra Sahib, and yet they have been the best students, to be honest, which is fantastic. At the other spectrum, we've had people who are in between, and then we've people who have advanced. So every week we've tried to keep something quite basic, but also learn something new. So all the different abilities and different levels are catered for. Because as Girish said, we couldn't find people to do voluntary work and have breakout rooms. Otherwise, the idea was to really have one-to-one sessions so you can all feel comfortable with your own device first and foremost before learning. But hopefully, let's see in future if we can progress. Yeah, I think I'll leave it at that. Anyone else wanting a last or two comments, Tara?
Hi, Smita Ben. Can I come in, please?
Yes, please do. Please do.
Yeah, Smita Ben, you have conducted yourself very professionally. I think you respected everybody's views, and I think that was reflected through Dara's training. So thank you very much for conducting. I've never been to this, so I don't know the dynamics of the group, but I would like to join in future whatever activities are taking place. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinod. I appreciate it. There's no dynamics. It was just my vision. I searched in this country for tutors who were bilingual. I searched very hard. It took me 3 months. I couldn't find anybody. Prayed to God. And then lo and behold, was able to contact Tara. And she was our just perfect trainer. So thank you, Vinod Bhai. And it's just been running since. So yeah. Tame join થઈ ગયા છો WhatsApp group માં વિનોદ ભાઈ?
Yeah, I'm getting the notification. Yeah.
Yeah, excellent.
Thank you.
Anybody else but you, Manju?
It's about 16
I know
minutes
I'm
ago.
taking a little bit of everyone's time today, but we're not too far out. And it is our last session before we break up. So anyone else, Chandrakant Bhai, anyone else, Mahesh Bhai?
Smita Ben. Smita Ben.
Yeah, go ahead, Chandrakant.
Today, Krishna Ben Nobi group joined you to from Smith. Krishna Ben Masat NCG Omache, and it's a very good group. So I think we will get a good support in future from her.
That's great. Thank you. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
Yeah. Gajendra Bhai, you have been a regular. Would you like to come in? Dara, is everyone unmuted?
Yeah. Gajendra Bhai, yeah.
It has been excellent and quite informative. I learned a lot, and today's revision was very good, so it keeps me up to remember everything what we have done, and hope we keep on making again and again for different things. Thanks everybody, especially thanks to Smita and Tara for putting up so much time for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you. Meena Bhabhi, are you there with us from Bhagini?
Smita, and I would like to interrupt you. We
Yeah,
are forgetting, we have one more session on 24th for Tasneem. So we're forgetting that.
I think we will see whether we continue or keep it in October. But
Okay.
That's fine. Everybody is registered. We will inform everybody. So
Okay.
yeah, no, appreciate that. Thanks. Yeah. Meena Bhabhi, are you there?
Yes, I am. Hi, Smita.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello.
Come through.
Hello.
Yeah.
Pranam.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Meena Bhabhi.
Okay. No, I just would like to congratulate you all, the whole group who બધા sessions તો join નથી કરી શકી. But from Jain Samaj Europe, Jain Bhagini Kendra, I would like to congratulate. તમે બધાએ ખૂબ જ મહેનત કરીને you are bringing lots and lots of participants in. બધાને ખૂબ benefit થાય છે. And Smita બેન તો અમારા સમાજમાં બી she has been doing lots for us as well. And so proud to know that she is doing lots for everybody else. So wish you all the best, Smita, and your whole team, Dharaben, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, મીના ભાભી. જો મીના ભાભીના વખાણ કરવા બેસીસ ને કેટલું contribute કરે છે તો આખી રાત ઓછી પડશે. But both Ashaben, our Bhagini president, who's worked with Kirit quite well, and Sashi Aunty and Meena Bhabhi with the health agenda. So thank you so much for supporting this particular theme. Okay, so anyone else who, Hema? Names, but it'd be nice if people just want to share a sentence or two before we end and break up for a while.
Would like to say.
Okay. May
Yeah.
I come in?
Yes, please. Yeah.
My IT skill is very low. Sometimes during the program, I really get, I'm lost sometimes. I ask for help, but really appreciate for all of those topics that have been brought in. It just whet my appetite. I really appreciate it, but like collage, I never heard of it, never done it. I really like Siri. I got it, but never use it. Now it's an eye opener. And there are lots of things on the Google one I never use, like the health program is there. I never used it. I never thought of using all these things. The tool is here in our hand, but we don't know how to use it. Thank you, Dara, and you, and all the team for doing such IT programs. Very helpful, really.
Thank you. Keep it up. You've got a month to practice now. Can I just tell everybody before Manju comes in that make a date with yourselves and your device every Saturday at 4 p.m. And even if you just spend half an hour and do what we've learned, you'll find it'll go a long way, because then you'll have time, that dedicated time every Saturday whilst we're off. Yeah. Manju, would you like to come? Thank you.
I just want to say thank you so very much to our personal trainer, Dara. I think she is more than a personal trainer to each one of us. Smita, thank you very much for your very thoughtful process to bring this to everybody. And Kirit Bhai and Bijaban Keval Bhai, thank you very much. Thank you very much for helping us hosting. And I just want to say one more thing. I know, obviously, if we go for funding, you need to prepare the business case to get the funding going. So if you prepare a form as to what we should be addressing, then it would be easier rather than just say we enjoyed it or we did just learn this much. Whereas if you have some questions drafted, then I think that would be much more useful to make a business case and then go for funding. And I also would like to say, like each one of us has benefited, and I think we are still benefiting. We haven't much time to play with it, but I think we have a 4-week window to learn it. And I also just want to say that if we don't find the funding, we are happy to fund the sessions. And also if everybody puts in maybe a couple of pounds or £5 for something, and then we can keep that going until we get the funding. So just bear that in mind. That's what I would like to say. If everybody agrees, that's fine. Otherwise, we can fund some of the sessions.
No, I think 2 quick points. Thank you, Kirit. It might be something because you are probably used to feedback forms, so maybe we can work together to divide one.
I put in the chat that we will develop a feedback form so so it's consistent.
But in the meantime, it can be a free flow as well, because we can always use your comments, so both ways. And I'm glad you've hit the nail on the head, Manju, because funding is always tricky. As Kirit said, Dara is literally just a nominal charge because she has to get someone to look after the baby and everything. So we have been difficult, and donations will be most welcome because I've still got a shortfall to make up with Dara. So for the time being, from April to now, just under 6 months, if people have benefited, if they think they would like to make a contribution, that will be great. And the other point Manju mentioned was that if the small contribution, Kirit has been kind enough for us to use the Saha Zoom, but it would be good if we can have our own Zoom as well, because then we don't always have to trouble him so much and have his events curtailed. So again, if people are willing to donate, that's something we could explore in time to come. Because I'll be honest, it's quite a load on myself in terms of just the sheer admin so far and keeping the whole thing ticking. So that's why I'm not asking for £2, £5, because the administration is a lot.
I'm not saying that people should, but I think it's worth it because. Until we find a funding, I think it would be good for us to learn and just make whatever donation people can make, even if each one of us, if you want to sponsor, that would be equally good.
Yeah, which would
also it would be better to have some idea as to what figures we're looking for, and then we can chip in and whatever we can do.
We can also, yeah.
I think we should keep the sessions going until we find the funding.
So
Sorry, all I was going to say is we can look at getting an additional license, so we don't have the same. So we can have another license that you could then just have. So that's we can look into that. So that's not a problem.
Smita, we can easily donate. Everybody can donate 10, 15 pounds or whatever, because we are learning so much. We'll never get this kind of, even if you pay £100. So I think it is not much.
As I said, there is a shortfall, and if people from the mobile apps group want to donate for now, that's fine as well. And we are going to take this time out to think how best to progress further. And if, like Chandakant Bhai and others have said, there are other groups, Sahili and the NCBO, if the groups want to join with us and if they are able to sponsor, then just like Saha did and Bagini, that will be great as well. So a lot of options, but keep practicing in the meantime, keep learning, keep sharing. And once again, thank you all so very much. Dara, I know
thank you again for all hard work.
Yes, when I'm there.
Dara, you've heard it from everyone. We'll miss you for the next few weeks. But I know you said your brother has got engaged. Your little one needs looking after. Your mom is fasting and doing worship like I am. So you have a tall order as well. So this break will help you too. But if we can open up,
surely we will share the feedback form tomorrow. What we'll do is we'll share the feedback form, and if you want, we have already uploaded the videos and everything is already ready. The WhatsApp group is already ready, so we can just post the things over there.
Next week we will tidy everything and then have a good break. Okay. All right. Thank you once again. Bye, everybody.
Thank you very much.
Take care. Thank you.
Smita, you've been genius. Thank you, Smita. You've been genius.
Thank you.
Tell you what you have done.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you for everyone's
Smita
support. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Smita Ben.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for the love you have showered on us. Thank you so much.
I'll give you a week sometime this week.
Champavan has just left. She's from Ashton-under-Lyme. She runs a group as well. So hopefully we'll see if we can link with her too.
Yeah, I'll give you a ring. We'll have a chat. I've not been able to join today because my eye had been sore and I could just flick the screen few minutes.
Okay, sorry.
Well, once I do it, do a full session with you, I'll get more into depth. Okay.
Sure, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks. Okay, anybody shall we say bye now? Any last?
Smita Ben, is it the last session? Is it the last session?
Today is the last session, but if you are part of our mobile group, then we will let you know when we reconvene in maybe 2 or 4 weeks time. Okay. So, are you on our mobile WhatsApp group?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So you'll be kept posted on that front.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you. And is Gujarati okay with you, Hemaben?
No, understand tiny bit. Hindi is okay.
Okay. Right. Yeah.
Bye.
Okay. Bye everyone. Bye. Thanks, Mahesh Bhai. Once again, really appreciate it for sponsoring today. Dara, do you want to call it a day?
Yeah. So thank you so much, Mahesh Bhai, for today. Apart from that, everyone, thank you so much for being such a nice, I can say, my students. Now, you all are there. with us every week.
Mahesh Bhai, Leicester has won today, so celebrate.
Yeah, love teaching you guys, but surely I think we'll be back soon with you guys. Once the pollutions are over and we are settled with all the pending works, I think we'll be back in a much better format next time, so that everyone and every queries and every questions are answered very properly. So we'll try that. And during this time, what we will do is we'll try to make most of the time that we have. So we are going to quickly connect with you guys soon. And we have also planned some videos as well, as Smita already knows, and that short videos, directly recorded videos. So mostly we'll be sharing those as well. So let's see where it takes us.
Are the sessions on YouTube?
Right.
Yeah, all the sessions will be there on YouTube, and Smita will be sharing the links for the same.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, bye, Dara. You can end because I know the little one is waiting for you.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, everyone. So I'm just ending the meeting. So we'll be meeting soon after a month, maybe.